Welcome back to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we have an exciting topic that's sure to grab your attention. We're going to share the 3 best flirting questions to ask a girl that will make her want you. If you've ever wondered how to break the ice and create a lasting impression, this video is perfect for you. So, let's dive right in. Flirting is an art, and it all begins with asking the right questions. These 3 questions are designed to engage her, create a connection, and leave her wanting more. Are you ready to learn these game-changing questions? Let's get started. 1. The mystery question. The first question we have for you is the mystery question. This question sparks curiosity and intrigue, making her eager to know more about you. It goes like this: if you could have any superpower, what would it be and why? By asking this question, you tap into her imagination, allowing her to open up and share her desires and aspirations. Remember, the key is to actively listen and show genuine interest in her response. 2. The memory question. Moving on to the second question, we have the memory question. This question takes her on a nostalgic trip, creating a bond based on shared experiences. You can ask something like, what's your favorite childhood memory and why does it hold a special place in your heart? This question not only brings out her sentimental side but also allows you to connect on a deeper level. Be prepared to share your own memorable moments too. 3. The future question. Last but not least, we have the future question. This question piques her interest about what lies ahead and subtly hints at a potential future together. You could ask, if you could wake up tomorrow having gained one quality or ability, what would it be and how would it impact your life? This question encourages her to envision a future where you play a significant role. Remember, it's important to maintain a playful and light-hearted tone throughout. And there you have it, the 3 best flirting questions that will make her want you. Feel free to adapt these questions to fit your personal style and the context of the conversation. We hope you enjoyed today's video on the 3 best flirting questions to ask a girl. By mastering these questions, you'll be able to create engaging and meaningful conversations that leave a lasting impression. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Until next time, keep flirting, stay confident, and remember that you have the power to make a genuine connection. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.